Sorry, Professor, could I speak with you for a moment?
Ah, James, how are you?
Fine, thanks, Professor, although I'm having difficulty following your course.
Really? What's the problem?
It's got to do with the common law and the fact that the term common law can mean a number of different things.
Yes, well, that is actually pretty difficult to understand. Students often have difficulty with this area.
Could you explain it to me again briefly?
Yes, I suppose I could, but I don't have lots of time. Let's see. Do you understand what we mean by the term common law when we are speaking generally?
Yes, it refers to the common law as a system of law that is relied on in Anglo-Saxon countries and their former colonies. Just like when we speak of the civil law, we are speaking of the system of law used in countries like France and Italy.
Okay, well, that's the first meaning of the common law. It is in fact the general name for the system of law applied in the UK and the US and many other countries in the world. The second meaning of the term common law refers to the fact that within the common law system there is both written law, called statute law, adopted by the Parliament, and there is also case law created by the courts. Now sometimes, to describe the area of case law, which is one of the sources of law in the common law system, we use the word common law.
Okay, so the second meaning describes one of the sources of law within the common law system, namely case law?
Yes, not unlike the fact that within the civil law system there is an area of law called civil law, or what the French call droit civil.
Okay, I understand. Thanks for explaining it to me.
Hold on a minute, James, I'm not finished yet.
You mean there is another meaning as well?
Yes, this is where students sometimes have difficulty understanding, so listen carefully.
Okay.
Well, you remember the area of equity?
Yes, it's the area of law created by the Chancellor back in medieval times to make up for the inadequacies of the common law case law developed by the King's courts.
Yes, exactly. And what kind of law is equity, written law or case law?
Written law? No, I mean case law, sorry. It's case law developed by the Court of Chancery.
So there are two types of case law. Common law case law, developed by the common law courts, and equity case law, developed by the Chancellor. The term common law is also used to describe the case law developed by the King's courts.
Wow, this is complicated.
I know. So, do you think you can tell me the three different meanings for the term common law?
Yes, I think I can. It is a general term used to describe the system of law relied on in Anglo-Saxon countries. It is a general term used to describe case law so as to distinguish case law from written law or statute law. And finally, it is also used to distinguish common law case law developed by the King's courts from equity case law developed by the Chancellor.
Very good. I'll be expecting top marks from you in the exam.
Well, I don't know about that, but thanks for explaining it to me so clearly.